guys, so I haven't done this in a while where I filmed myself without my helmet and whatnot, but I need to for today. It's the 16th today. The MCN festival started today. We are going up tomorrow morning. I'm hopefully, my friend's staying over, hopefully I can persuade him to wake up and we'll leave at 5 o'clock in the morning so we can get there for 9, because he can't go on the motorway because he's still on L plates. So I decided to take the Grom as well on a 125. So it's going to take us, I'm bleeding. Rip. It's going to take us 4 hours, just over 4 hours to get there. So it should be fun, but ignore all the mess in the background. These are all the clothes I'm taking. It might look like a lot, my leathers are underneath. It might look like a lot because it is, because I want to stay as warm as possible and I can always strip down. You can never wear too much clothing because you can always take stuff off. So I also got this in the post just now. Some demon boots. I like demon boots. And there's just loads of other mess in the background. Here we have a map of the little place. Some snappy warmy things that heat up and warm your hands just in case I get too cold. I don't know why that's there. A cloth just to clean visors, chest mount, again just in case. A lot of this is just in case, like the spark plug just in case, sump bolt just in case. I went like that then, but it's there. A lock, I won't just bring this lock, I will bring my full lock, but this is just a brake lock, just it's London. SD cards, the zoom, my camera will be in there, spare battery, spare GoPro. GoPro's downstairs charging. This one's just finished importing, so I can start charging that. Spare clear visor. All my gloves are heating up. You're wondering why I'm taking 2 gloves? I don't know. Probably won't be, but spares. Heating everything up, probably not a good idea, but hey, it's all gonna go well, hopefully. So yeah, I'm really excited. Bit nervous because it is a long way. This video is actually going to come out before I did my other long trip. Well, I did a long trip on the Grom recently, but this video is I'm going to put out as a priority, as I said on my Twitter. So you can see all this because it's going to be cool. That was cool and good at the same time. Anyway, I'm just gibbering on, blabbering stuff. So I will see you either if something happens when Sam gets here or in the morning. So yes, goodbye.
What's up, guys? This is going to be short and sweet, very quiet because it is at 5 in the morning. I've been upstairs 4. Well, not just myself, cooked Sam and me some breakfast. We'll be home for half an hour or so.
Right, let's get this show on the road. Decided to take the R3 instead of the Grom because stuff. I might want to put that back on in a sec. Yeah, last ride of it before it goes. Ah, no, my finger. Where the fuck is that lead gone? Where the fuck did it go? So yeah, guys, you probably can't see a lot because the ISO is down all the way, because by the time we get there it'll be daylight, so there's no point in turning it up now. This says it's going to take us 3 hours and 20 minutes. I'm pretty sure it's going to take us 4 hours. We can't go on motorways because Sam's still on L plates. I decided to take the R3 instead of the Grom because it's a kind of a goodbye to the R3 because it is up for sale right now, as well as the AJP. It's going to be sad to see her go. But yeah, I'm not going to do a lot of talking. I'm going to be concentrating on where we're going. I'm hoping this fucking thing's going to speak to me. It doesn't seem to want to speak to me right now. But yeah, look at that. That is fucking gorgeous. You probably can't see anything. Anyway, I won't be speaking. It'll probably be some montage of stuff. But yeah, I'll see you mainly probably when we actually get to the show. Let's freaking do this. Oh, and yeah, the baffle's in. Oh, goddamn, it's foggy.
Eventually.
Even with that at 100%, my fingers are still cold.
I had ice on my gloves at the start.
My visor iced up. I couldn't see shit.
Ice on.
Yeah. Why did our light turn green? Has it got sensors? We're not fat enough, Sam. Sam, put on some weight. So we've been going for an hour and something now. What the fuck? We were going for about an hour and a half, or just over. Got just under 2 hours to go, so I thought I would stop off in Mackey's for a bit. What is fucking going on? Fucking censor, you bastard! Oh no! I'm unplugged! No! 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 That is like my saviour! No! Come on! Why can't you censor us? Oh my days, it's fucking cold! Ah! Fucking a load of shit! Oh look, Toys R Us! How lovely! It's fucking cold. Right, we're at Mackey's, warming up.
So cold, it was so cold. I had ice on my visor.
Yeah. I didn't record it. I got the little like window wiper thing on my visor, right, so I was scraping it off with that.
Broken my gloves. It's actually peeled away all the writings come off the inside.
Because I didn't have my visor down because it was too dark and foggy, ridiculously foggy.
Yeah, I was like, I'll leave my visor like slightly open, and then when it gets like really cold, I put it down, and it'll feel like it's a little bit warmer.
Yeah.
Like 10 minutes, and I was like, nah, bollocks.
I was going to wear my Alpine Star ones that had a hole in it. I'm glad I didn't. I don't think I turned off my heated grips. Oh well. It should. Well, as if it doesn't kill my battery.
Wait, that's a bump stack. Oh, it's just. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, look at it go. You got to massage it in for best performance. Right, I put some of them heated thingies under my boots. They're not really doing anything, if I'm honest. Yeah. Yeah, we're off again. 2 hours, 20 minutes apparently. Let's freaking do this. At least the sun's come out now. Alright, I'll see you in a bizzle. It's a lot warmer now than what it was when we first began. When we first began, it was like super foggy. You couldn't see a foot in front of you. It was ridiculous, but now this is nice. I have to say, it was definitely the right decision taking the R3 over the Grom. For one, I fucking love this bike, and secondly, the power is just so nice to have. It's so much fun. Alright guys, I would stand back and show you more of the bike, because she's looking not as clean anymore, but she was nice and clean. We are doing just fine. We filled up with fuel, and we'll be back on our way. If you're wondering why I'm wearing these over some other gloves and none of my other gloves, one, because it's very cold, and two, they do a really good job of keeping your hand warm. Well, not really good job, but they do a decent job at keeping your hand warm. If you haven't watched my video I did about some gloves and shit, then you can go check that out. But yep, we are continuing on the journey. Oh, the baffle is so cute. The bike is doing absolutely awesomely. I'm absolutely loving it. I'm still wearing my waterproofs just in case it starts raining. What the fuck is he doing? My little toe thingies are now just digging into my feet instead of actually warming my feet up. What does your bike top out at? How fast does it go?
70. I got it to 75 the other day, and it was like.
It's the problem with trying to wear my gloves.
This bit is just this.
Yeah.
It's like trying to fist a nun.
Oh my god.
No.
Have you broke it? Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh dear, oh dear. Yeah, I don't want to film too much on the journey up. If I have charge after filming everything at the show, I'll film a lot on the way back, but it probably will be dark. But that's how it is. I think you'd rather see the Panigale V4. You'd rather see the new R1M, the
New Speed Triple. You'd rather see all them bikes than me riding up to London. But I will film when I'm riding through London because I've always wanted to do that. Just like RJ. Ready? And we're back to chilling. Have I done all my coke things up? I think so. Right, back to the journey.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
And we're back at charging. Where is he? I don't know what happened. My phone completely died. There's only one thing we can possibly do here, and that is that.
Shiver me timbers. Yarr. Vast ye scatterwags. Hang him from the yard.
Oh, this is so much better. This is so nice. I wish it was like this since we started, because this is lush. This is the sun on us, dry roads, heated grips. And so it begins. Time to filter. This is so sick. Coming from a reasonably small city to somewhere like London, where you've got massive ass buildings, it is so sick. What the fuck is that? Oh man, we've been overtaken by a scooter. Damn. Whoa. Gorgeous. Sam, can I put it in my thumbnail, titties? Mate, this is cool. Mate, that building's got fans on the top of it. What the fuck is that? Yeah, he does. Yeah. It's so dope. Little country boys like us come to the big city. There he is. I don't think he's very happy with me. I kind of kill switched him. Literally as the lights changed. Oh, sorry, Sam.
You're such a dick, I didn't realise. I was like, I pulled my clutch out, put the bottle on, I was like, what the fuck's going on?
That way.
The end, turn left and again right. Careful.
Legend. Oh, we made it. We have made it. I'm 1 hungry, 2 dying for a pee, and 3 fucking excited. Shit, man. Venue park in the sea. Fucking drifting. Hey. That MT-07 sounds nice. Sam, I'm dying for a piss.
We made it.